Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. In today's video, we will ask questions about what your parenting style is. We will give you 30 questions and 10 seconds to answer each question. So grab your pencils, paper, or just keep track of your answers in your head, and let's start this fun quiz together. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! Would you rather allow ice cream as a treat or limit sugary snacks? Would you rather have a family game night or allow screen time before bed? Would you rather allow a later bedtime on weekends or stick to a consistent sleep schedule? It's gift time! Ready to get a surprise gift? Choose a number from 1 to 3 and let's see what you win. If you have selected gift 1, comment your name and I'll mention your name in the next video. If you have selected gift 2, comment your birthday and I'll show your birthday in the next video. If you have selected gift 3, it's empty box. Don't be sad, better luck next time. Would you rather have a picnic indoors or go on an outdoor adventure? Would you rather allow choosing the dinner menu or stick to a planned meal schedule? Would you rather have a dance party or have a quiet reading time? It's memory time! Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! Would you rather allow playing with Play-Doh or limit messy activities? Would you rather have a movie night or go on a nature walk? Would you rather allow having a pet or not having a pet? Would you rather have a family sports day or have a family arts day? True or false time? Is this statement true or false? A toddler's brain is more active than an adult's. Yes, you are right, it's true. A toddler's brain undergoes rapid development and forms many connections during the early years. Would you rather allow staying up late for a movie or not allow any screen time after dinner? Would you rather allow eating breakfast in bed or not allow food outside the kitchen? Would you rather allow wearing pajamas all day or not allow staying in pajamas past noon? Would you rather allow playing video games for an hour or not allow any gaming on weekdays? Did you know that babies can start recognizing faces just a few hours after birth? That's how quickly the brain begins to learn and remember. Would you rather allow a messy art project or not allow activities without cleanup rules? Would you rather allow a special toy at dinner or not allow any distractions during meals? Would you rather allow a friend to sleep over or not allow sleepovers on school nights? Can you guess this word by emojis? Yes, you are right. Would you rather allow a sugary drink for dinner or not allow anything but water or milk? Would you rather allow an extra hour of playtime or not allow skipping homework first? Would you rather allow a surprise day off from chores or not allow skipping chores at all? It's memory time! Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! Would you rather bake cookies together or order dessert from a bakery? Would you rather build a blanket fort or play a board game? Would you rather go to the zoo or visit an aquarium? True or false time? Is this statement true or false? It's better for children to have a strict routine. Yes, you are right. It's false. While routines are important, flexibility is also key. A rigid routine can create stress for both the child and the parent. Would you rather allow painting activities or stick to coloring with crayons? Would you rather have a water balloon fight or play with sidewalk chalk? Would you rather go for a bike ride or take a long walk? Did you know? Spending just 10 minutes of focused playtime with your kids each day can significantly boost their self-esteem, improve their emotional well-being, and strengthen your bond as a parent. These small moments of connection have a big impact on their development and happiness. Would you rather allow an afternoon nap or plan an active playtime instead? Would you rather have a pizza night or make tacos together? Can you guess this word by emojis? Yes, you are right. Would you rather visit a local museum or go to a park? Would you rather have a crafting session or watch a DIY tutorial together? Thank you for watching. Comment your choices and let us know what type of parent are you. And if you want to watch more videos like this, click on one of the videos below.